This jet bubble photo effect is made 100% in Canva. Let me show you. Open Canva and choose a project size. I choose an Instagram post size here. And then go to Element, to Frames, and type here Speech Bubble. Enter. Scroll down, I will choose this one. I will rotate to the left like this, about 30 degrees. And then add stroke weight, about 20. Change the color of the stroke to white. And the color of the bubble, click here, change to green. And then click the background. I will change the color to, click here on the white. Click gradient. Choose the circular gradient. Okay. Now duplicate it. Place the duplicate right on the origin. And then go to Element. And find a photo like this. Font color. And then reduce the transparency about 60 or 50. And then I will drag it here, increase the size so the head is pop out of the bubble. Okay. And then make the transparency back to 100 and then send it to back. Now duplicate and insert the duplicate to the frame. Double click on the frame. Rotate 30 degrees. Increase the size. Like this, make it same as the background. And then click done. And click here again. And then use BG remover. Okay, now select the picture in the back. And then remove the background. And then crop it like this. And then crop it like this and send it to front. Okay, now we have it. And then go to position. Click this bubble, switch bubble. Duplicate. Change the color to gray. I want this gray and also the stroke to the same color. Okay, increase a little. Move a little to the right or left like this to make a shadow. Go to position. Move it to the back. And then move it here. Reduce a little. Okay, so now we have it. And you can reduce the transparency so the shadow is not too black. Okay, and then go to share, download, and download as PNG. You can download it with transparent background or not. Alright, so this is the tutorial. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.